Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign in to complete purchase in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to install any app from your app store, you might see an error which is sign in to complete this purchase. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So it happens when you're not signed into your app store. So now to fix the issue, you just have to simply go back, tap on the profile option at the top right, and here just tap on sign in with Apple account, and here you'll get in the Apple account you have signed into your iPhone. So if you want to continue with this account, just tap on this continue option, or if you don't want to use this account, so you can also select not option from here. So I'm going to select this one, just tap on continue option here. It will take a few seconds to load it, and then it will sign you in. So once you have signed in, you can easily install any app from your app store without the previous issue. So in this way, you can easily remove or easily fix sign into complete purchase in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.